how to adjust color temperature on your Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, okay, go to gear icon or gear button. And now you can see the pop-up and you can see here the gear icon or settings. Okay, go to this. And general settings, go to display and sounds. Okay, go to display and sounds. And display and sounds, you can see the picture. Okay, go to picture. Here in picture, scroll down and you can see here the color temperature. Okay, go to this. For example, the color temperature is set into standard. And below, you can see the adjustment. You can adjust the red gain by adjust to the right or to the left. And also you can adjust the green grain, blue grain, red offset, green offset, and blue offset. You can adjust to the right or left. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust the color temperature on Skyworth TV.